This wonderful gratin, perfect for serving with grilled meats or poultry, features vine-ripened tomatoes prepared in the Provencal style, layered over steamed golden smashed potatoes. Again, there is very little prep involved, and that prep can be made easier by steaming the potatoes in the steam oven prior to smashing them. The first step in the recipe is to steam the potatoes. Steaming potatoes in the steam oven not only ensures great flavor, it's safer because you won't have to deal with a heavy pot of water. When you steam potatoes in the steam oven, use the solid container with just a little bit of water, just enough to cover the base of the pan. If you use the perforated pan, when the potatoes get too soft, the potatoes will go through the holes. Anyway, while the potatoes are steaming, I'm going to chop the Kalamata olives and combine them with some garlic and minced shallot and set that mixture aside. They'll be folded into the potatoes later. It's also a good time to mince the garlic and parsley that will be combined with the breadcrumbs and parmesan to spread over the tomatoes. Once the potatoes are nice and soft, they are combined with some warm milk and butter, of course, and gently smashed, then seasoned before adding in the olive and the garlic mixture. To assemble the gratin, the potatoes are spread in a gratin or baking dish, and the sliced tomatoes are arranged slightly overlapping all over the potatoes. Now it's time to make the topping. First, some chopped garlic is gently cooked in a little butter, and then fresh breadcrumbs are stirred into that mixture and cooked until golden. Allow the mixture to cool slightly and then stir in the chopped fresh parsley and the grated Parmesan cheese. Spread it over the top and then bake it in the oven in the convection bake mode, or I actually used my steam oven and I baked it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And you can see how beautifully it browned, and so either oven, it's going to work really well. Anyway, look, this is another really simple, delicious meal, and I certainly hope you'll give it a try. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please, like and subscribe.